It wasn't Santa. It's kind of sad. Who does that? It's Santa! It's not Santa. We are delivering flyers for our open house, and y'all are invited.
All right.
Would you like a candy cane?
Sure. Thank you.
Merry Christmas. It's very festive in here.
It is.
It's beautiful. You too. That wasn't a real person. What is Santa's reindeer? Hello. Hi.
Gosh, you're so cute.
Do you want a candy cane?
Yes, thank
There you go.
Oh, thanks.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, thank you.
You're invited to the Klockworks Cycle Source Extravaganza.
An extravaganza
Santa Claus is coming.
to town?
Yes!
Okay, thanks.
You're welcome. Bye. Thanks, Mr. Norwal. Do you want a candy cane?
See the elves, you know.
Oh, awesome.
Merry Christmas.
Awesome.
Merry Christmas.
Love elf. Welcome to Mitchell.
I like your tree.
Thank you.
Do you want a candy cane?
You.
Merry Christmas.
Where are you folks from? Oh, Clockwork. I see
Merry
that.
Christmas.
Hey guys.
Hi.
Hello.
Love it. You guys
Merry
walking Main
Christmas.
Street today?
Wow. They must really like corn. That was fun. Do I look like corn? Don't eat the corn on the walls. It's not good.
Not good.
That's not a hall, that's a building. They were wrong. Those cars don't stop. They left the door open. Hello?
Who's there?
Devin!
Oh, hi.
Hi! Would you like a candy cane?
Oh, well, thank you. Thank
Ruth, would you like a candy cane?
Sure.
There you go.
So what are you doing?
We're just checking stuff out, inviting everybody to the Klockworks Cycle Source open house.
When is
Santa
that?
Claus is coming.
Ooh. When is that going to be?
December 13th at Klockworks.
Oh, okay. What time?
What time is it? 7? Ooh, that's late.
For you.
For
it
me,
is. For it is. You already had your spaghetti and
I
Fruit
did.
Loops and
Well,
all
that's
that.
breakfast.
That's breakfast and syrup.
What do you eat?
6 to 8, I can make that happen.
Oh, great.
I'll be there. I hear that you are putting on a Christmas play.
I am. Well, we are.
We are.
We are, yeah, here at the Area Community Theater, A Christmas Chaos.
When is that?
It is December 6th, 7th, and 8th, and 13th, 14th, and 15th.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Can we have a
tickets?
sneak peek at the set? It's perfect. It's so beautiful. Is this my big pencil? Did I leave this here? Wow. That's the prettiest candle I've ever seen. It's very Christmassy and very chaosy.
Chaosy, very much. So Christmas Chaos, First 2 weekends of December.
All
Come and
right.
see it.
I will.
And you'll
Maybe I can bring Santa.
Santa.
Bring Santa.
Are you excited about that?
Just a little bit.
Just a little. Enough to do a dance.
Just
Just a little.
a little bit.
Just a little excited. Okay.
Okay. Bye, Devin. Bye, Ruth.
Bye. Come again.
Would you like a candy cane? Happy birthday.
65. Don't I get more than one?
Oh, you get 2. Merry Christmas. This place is amazing.
Oh my goodness.
Would you all like to come to our open house?
Oh my god, I would love to.
Santa Claus is gonna be there.
Is he really?
I'll be there too.
Oh my goodness, so exciting.
Bye, Sheila. Have a great day. I love you. I don't think elves can go in bars. There's another Santa. I know that one's fake. He's fake. He's plastic. The real Santa's a little doughy. Hello!
New Year.
Oh my gosh! This place is so beautiful.
Doing out and about, buddy.
Just spreading Christmas joy.
Oh, awesome.
Inviting people to the Clockworks open house.
Nice.
Would you like to come?
Maybe. What is it?
Okay. It is December 13th,
Okay.
6 to 8.
We'll hang it up.
All right. Would you like a candy cane?
I hope you find your dad.
Thank you. Merry Christmas. You think they could have done something with my curls?
Yeah.
She was very nice.
She was. She was very happy to see you.
I don't think they have elf shoes here. Hello. Do you have any elf shoes? Like this?
Oh my God.
Would you like a flyer to the Clockworks Cycle Source open house?
Sure.
There you go. You're invited.
All right.
You have a great day.
You guys. Wow.
You have a very nice store. Hello. How are you today?
Good. You look adorable.
Thank you. You have such a cool tattoo shop.
Thank you.
Would you like to come to the Clockworks Cycle Source open house?
I'd love to.
All right.
And I know my coworker would, he shops at your store a lot.
Perfect.
Thank you.
You have a great day.
You too. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. That place is cool. I kind of want a tattoo.
What
Should
would
I-
you get a tattoo of?
A candy cane?
Your dad?
My dad? Santa? Hello.
Hi.
How are you?
Good. How are you doing?
Good.
What are we up to today?
Handing out flyers for the Clockworks Cycle Source open house.
God, I was like,
You're invited.
When does this happen?
It's on the 13th of December.
Sweet. I like it.
All right. You have such a cool store.
Oh, thank you.
Bye.
Thanks, guys. We'll be there. Have a wonderful afternoon.
You too. Hello. Hello. Hi. I'm handing out flyers for the Clockworks Cycle Source open house.
oh, thank you.
You're welcome. Would you like a candy cane?
Yes, please.
All right. Oh, that one's empty. I didn't do it. There you go.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
They have the best coffee here.
They have the best coffee. Congratulations on having the world's best coffee. Bye, everybody.
Come on, let's check it out. This is your shop.
Wow. Hello. We're handing out flyers. Would you like a flyer to the Clockworks open house? There you go.
Thank you.
You're invited.
Okay.
Santa Claus is going to be there.
Okay.
Have a great day. Would you like a candy cane?
Well,
There you
thank
go. Merry Christmas. Bye.
Buddy.
You can make so many toys with all this stuff. I'm definitely coming back. It's Santa's sleigh. But there's no reindeer. Christmas cheer is singing loud for all to hear. Ooh, they have a lot of candy. Hello. Would you like a flyer to our open house?
Sure.
You're invited.
Okay.
We're having the open house at Clockworks and Santa's gonna be there.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, at Clockworks.
Oh, like-
Yeah,
okay.
I like your store.
Oh, thank
You have a lot of candy.
yeah.
Have a great day.
Nice to meet you.
Puppy?
I hear puppies. Puppies. Hi. Hello. No, no, don't bite me. Don't bite me. I like that one. I like that one. Hi, puppies. Hi. I think they're scared of me. Hello.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. You're invited to our open house.
Awesome.
Would you like a candy cane?
I would love one.
All right.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Yay.
You have a great day.
I will.
I like your puppies.
I like our puppies too.
They're the cutest. Thank you.
thank you.
Have a great day. Hello. How are you doing?
Very good.
Good.
How's my little helper?
Great. Just handing out flyers today.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. You're invited. I like all the sweets. Can we come back here? Would you like a candy cane? There you go.
Thank you.
Merry Christmas.
Can you say Merry Christmas?
Merry Christmas. Have a great day. You too.
You on your cheers at this point? Buddy!
Hello. How are you?
Come on in.
Thank you. I heard you have root beer.
We do. You like root beer?
I love root beer.
Would you like a little root beer?
A little root beer.
All right.
Thank you so
Enjoy.
much. That was the best root beer I've ever had. That's all I got. You want a candy cane?
Sure.
There you go.
Awesome. Thank you.
You bet. Have a great day.
You do the same.
We can fix that burp in post.